So can I request Priyadarshini to make her presentation, please?
Sir, poster, please.
Yeah.
Good evening, one and all. My name is Priyadarshini. I'm from Telangana, India. My research topic is developing English vocabulary in classrooms. I selected this topic. Why? Because my students are lagging behind in the vocabulary because they are far away from formal education almost from 1.5 years due to this COVID situations. So the reasons behind us selecting this topic, they have very poor vocabulary. To improve their vocabulary and to make them to understand the given text, I have selected this topic. My research was started by exploratory phase. In that exploratory phase, I have conducted an interview with the teachers, and I have informal conversation with the students and also the parent, also with parents. The teachers were saying that due to lack of exposure, the students are not getting much vocabulary in the classroom, and parents are saying as they were illiterates, what their kids are studying they don't know, and students are saying by the force of their parents they are used to work before and after the school hours. So I found the root cause in the exploratory phase. Based on this exploratory phase, here I made an action plan. When I started the action plan, I started with a pre-test. In the pre-test, all the students are in the C grade only. After giving some activities and after giving some time, at least a week, I have given the time to the students to improve their abilities due to with the different types of activities. Here, based on these activities, the students, I divided the students into the groups A, B, and C groups. And based on the abilities and based on the groups, I have given the activities. Here, I faced many challenges while I am conducting all these activities in the action phase. Here, the main challenges, there is a lack of self-motivation. We have to motivate the students to participate in each activity. And another one is they have phobia towards the English. And also they are from the rural background. And English is not a transacting language in their daily life. These are the challenges I faced while I'm doing this action phase. And my reflections are, the vocabulary when compared with the pre-test and till now, it was increased. And 90 to 95% of the students are able to participate in the different types of activities. In the starting the action phase, I have given simple activities. When the days goes on, I have given the somewhat a little complex. In the activities, the students are showing interest and they are participating actively and they are transacting in English. It's a simple language. As a teacher researcher, I have learned a lot. I must say thanks to Ravinarayan sir. Why? Because my attitude towards the classroom is changed a lot. Before, as a teacher, I focused on only subject to syllabus. That's it. But as a teacher researcher, I focused on individual, each and every student and their progress. I can maintain the records only for the syllabus, but as a teacher researcher, I can maintain the records for the individual. With this, I have the clear idea about each and every student. Now I can mentor my colleagues to be as a teacher researcher. I can guide them to be a teacher researcher, and I can support them to find out the major cause why the students are lagging behind in their subject. And I can also help them to plan their lesson accordingly and to get for the better results. Thank you so much for giving